Happy Valentines! Woo! Requested ng nanay. Ikaw kainis ka. Happy Valentines! Happy Valentines! There you go. Kaya naman sausawan, medyo dry siya pag walang sausawan. So, let's ask for... Yes, please, may sili. Yun lang ata ako nag-review na. Let's see. I'll be celebrating my 5th year anniversary on March 1, and I am still looking and studying what are the changes that I'm going to do in my channel. And ayun, probably let's see if nanginginig na yung mga kamay ko. I don't know. I need a cameraman or need an editor. Well, probably a new show.
A new show?
Learn. Let's see. Yeah, there you go mga kabangbang. If you purchase kambal, dalawa, that's 159 pesos. Pwede ka rin mag-solo, that's 89 pesos. And if you want only rice like this one, naka 2 rice na sila. Ako isa pa lang kasi busy tayo sa pag-vlog, no? You can purchase it at 119 pesos. That is already only for paa. Syempre for pet show, different din ang pricing. Thank you! Yay! There you go! We're done! Happy Valentine's Day! We are here at Roberto's and we will buy the ultimate favorite of our big boys. Ta-da! Yay! We are here at Atria checking Sunkissed. Mysterious. Best gift ever. What's your gift? Wow! I've been looking at this last time. Oh. Having a seminar right now, but this one, Sana! Thank you. Happy Valentine's! Ay, ano to yan? Happy Valentine's Day to! Yay! Happy Valentine's Day! Wow! Thank you! I got mine! Sana! So cute! long search, nakakain na din kami. And currently, it's 10:30. We are waiting for Leia. Here he has the valet.
Valet!
And that's all. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day. And see you on my next vlog. Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. From me inspired.